Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Spotify. So let's start. First open the Spotify app. When you open the app and start listening to music, Spotify collects caches on its memory, which hampers on your phone memory over the time, and it also eats up your storage space and your phone becomes slower. So clearing cache is a very cardinal task. Now how can you clear cache on Spotify? First tap on the settings icon on top right corner and scroll down. Under storage section you will see that how much cache you have on the Spotify app. Now to clear it out, tap on delete cache and then tap on delete cache again, and your cache on Spotify will be cleared and your phone's storage space will also be cleared. And that is how you can clear cache on Spotify. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.